Commander MP Ramesh, sir, has also been here ever since he, sir, took that designation of the Commander of 9th Kerala Unit. I have seen sir often, like more than 4 occasions, and sir's presence is always very inspiring, and sir and me have a lot of personal experience as well. Sir is making friendship with everybody, and regardless of being whether it is naval unit or army unit, sir is with all the cadets of the college. Sir, we thank you for your presence here and your guidance and support all the time. Thank you so much, sir. My thanks right now go to the this morning one of our cadets were down. She's in hospital right now. Last week again, our cadet. So God has to be thanked, and we thank God all the time. Now I thank NC1 Archana PK for the inspiring words she has shared now. Congratulations to dear NC1 Archana. May God bless you. May you achieve all your dreams. First of all, our sincere thanks go to the chief guest of the program, Honorable Mayor of Kozhikode, Dr. Veena Philip. Everyone must be aware of the busy schedule of the mayor. Last week, when Dr. Shinjo P. Matthew and I went to the chamber of the mayor, it was afternoon and the mayor was in a meeting, and from the meeting the mayor was heading over to another meeting, and when we just spoke to her, she was saying that she could not have a drop of water, or she could not have a little bit of water, or she doesn't get enough time to read the newspaper. That is the busy schedule of the mayor of Kozhikode. At this moment, I thank Honorable Mayor of Kozhikode, Dr. Veena Philip, for coming to St. Joseph College and being with us and congratulating our cadet MC1 Archana PK, and she indeed spoke to us very inspiringly, and I'm sure all of you are inspired by the very motivating and guiding words of Dr. Veena Philip, the Mayor. So on behalf of St. Joseph's College Delgari management and staff, on behalf of the NCC Kozhikode group, I extend sincere thanks to the Mayor of Kozhikode. Thank you, ma'am. Every 3 years, each NCC group has a new group commander. I have been in NCC for the last 12 years. Yes, I remember the names and the faces of the group commanders I have interacted with. But let me say, my dear dignitaries on and off, and my dear students, there isn't any group commander who has visited this college like the present group commander, Brigadier A.Y. Rajan, and I can tell you, sir, has visited the college more than 7 times. And it is because of Brigadier A.Y. Rajan that this program has taken place this way. And the day after the Republic Day cadets were back in Kerala, sir was just telling us about the achievement of NC1 Archana PK. And despite of the very busy schedule, and now because we have cadet camps going on, camps for NCC B certificate examination, C certificate examination, and the duties of course, different battalions and different NCC units of the Kozhikode group, Brigadier A.Y. Rajan has come again here, and sir was with us. Sir just spoke to us and inspired us, and for the great lessons and guidance and inspiring words, and all that we extend St. Joseph College Delgari, the management, the faculty, and the NCC units, the army units, and the naval units, and the students extend sincere thanks to you, Honorable Brigadier A.Y. Rajan, sir. Thank you so much for sir. I would like to thank Dr. Sabuke Thomas, the principal. Sir has always been a support, guidance, and encouragement to all of us. Similarly, Reverend Father Dr. Viju Joseph, the manager, Reverend Father Ando MJ, the Vice Principal, Reverend Father Bonnie Augustine, the Administrator. These are all the pillars of the college. These are all the pillars of the management. And it is because of their help, all sorts of help, that the MCC, Army and the Navy units function here this much protectively. And our sincere thanks go to all these great personalities, Dr. Sabu K. Thomas, Reverend Father Dr. Biju Joseph, Reverend Father Ando NJ, and Reverend Father Bonnie. Thank you so much, dear authorities. Ando NJ, dear and the achiever of the day, MC1 Archana, respected loving parents of Archana, my dear cadets, dear colleagues, dear students, good morning to all of you. My duty is word of thanks. First of all, I thank God Almighty because in the life of every army man, in the life of every personnel in defense, so too in the life of every cadet, the visible hands of God is seen each and every day or every moment. Even this morning, we saw the visible hands of respected Principal Dr. Sabu K. Thomas, Honorable Group Commander Brigadier Devai Rajan.
Times with the cadets who initially came from different groups, assimilating to the same directorate and finally melting down to a chosen family. Yes, we 26 were each other's shoulders to lean and pillows to cry in all those vexatious struggles. My subunit, where I began as a normal cadet, to me making a felicitation speech today, played the paramount role in molding who I am today. It is always with unadulterated gratitude that I can mention all my seniors whose sheer commitment, hard work and selfless efforts gave their best to train us. Special mention to my ex-cadet captain, Dev Prasad PB, who ignited the fire in me and was there right from the beginning in molding me as the best cadet. Caretaker, Dr. Shinto P. Matthew, was very stimulating in me making it to Delhi. All my co-cadets with whom I share all the fun, struggles and the best time, moreover, for organizing this wonderful function. To all the dignitaries on the desk, thank you so much for your kind words. It is with deep honor, pride and excitement that I stand before you and address such a encouraging audience. Last many months, being not so welcoming for all of us, I and some of the cadets, whom we call ourselves as a Special 26, were fortunate to be a part of the Kerala and Lakshadweep contingent in the Republic Day Camp 2021.
Your fortitude, that is, you are ready to do anything at the face of danger. One of your cadets who got the gold medal here, yeah, your commander was telling, he showed extra interest, extra initiative and extra leadership in facing the front during 2018. So you all know how much the society expects from an NCC cadet. On the face of all dangers, you people should come forward. You have to take the leadership in your own hands. Only a bold person who has a fit body and a fit mind can take the leadership. But there are people, these days there are people who sit behind their phones and sending messages to people. In that way they encourage, they motivate, they inspire people to go forward, to become better leaders. Continuously, consistently, without ever getting dispirited, strive, move towards it, then definitely you will attain your goal. That's my first advice. Second thing is, why should one join NCC, Naval or Army? NCC, when we got independence, it was ACC, I think, and then it got into, am I right? Yes. And then, because I didn't do any homework for a speech here, I thought I would address you only.
Thank you.
Cadet Archana and the parents, eminent personalities on the dais, and the cadets and students, ladies and gentlemen. Standing in front of me today in this
Now I would like to welcome